y nuestro amor es prohibido, sabemos, pero es más fuerte el deseo que tenemos y esta atracción fatal no sé dónde podrá llegar. Y yo sigo esperando el momento y tú sigues haciendo el intento de no dejarte llevar por ese instinto animal. Y serás mía, los dos lo sabemos, y seré tuyo porque ambos queremos, y esto solo va a parar el día en que nos desnudemos. Es que Cupido se equivocó, estaba dormido y así disparó, tiró tu flecha en mí.
Hi, I'm Captain Salsa, and today I will give you the tips about the turns and spins, and it's my experience after the over 30 years of dancing. I will show you the best way for now. How you can improve your body, how you can prepare your body for the spin and turns easily without tense body, without be hectic, for be much more natural. And this is important. And at the ending, important for us, for dancer, create the volume in small place. Volume is so important part of dancing, because if you have volume, if you can create and control your body around your movement, you can be able to touch the rhythm in salsa, bass, tumbao, and clave. In bachata, bass and tumbao. You can touch the flavor because you will have time. Okay, let's start. See how I turn my body during the spin, during the turn, with the simply basic side basic turn for the, on the right and on the left. Very important for me is first take care of my space, because I will be able to be much more grounded and to feel my space and my partner. And look, if I will dance on 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. It's important for me always take care of my space and my partner. If I will do in this way, I lost many details. Look, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. I can't dance after the 35 years of dancing. One more time, look where is my energy? Where is the dynamic? First, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5. If you see, I always 5, 6, 7, check where I am. 2, now I'm check, twist my upper body first, next lower body and head, next twist, twist my body, next I raise the leg, next one more time I'm looking for the place, next lower body, head, upper body, and I finish here because I can much more precise control the space. If I dance on 1, it's the same. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. It's the same way. If I want to catch my main style, Puerto Rican style, just mambo, I have much more time because I start from the end, from the 8th end. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have much more. I am much more grounded, and I extra add the tumbao, bass, and clave in the same moment. I highly recommend prepare first body for the spin and turn. I highly recommend do not just copy the styling 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, because you put a lot artificial moments to your body. And how you can improve? Just train a simply stuff like this. First upper body, next upper body head, 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 upper body head. Next upper body and step, upper body head and step. This is, I will show you a simple exercise. This is my advice. Next you can switch to the 180 and now twist upper lower body and back and lower. You see, if you will train, you'll be able to catch this style. This is amazing, trust me. Next, this is like how you can find the natural balance for your body. Many dancers will teach you just raise the heels and feel the toe, but I have a different way, much more natural. Just twist upper body, twist, and just try with this pattern on the left and twist lower body, and your body will naturally find the way without just rise the heels and turn. Next, look, if I want prepare my body for the 360, I just train like that. Twist upper body, lower body, head, and I finish always here because I will be able to catch the time during the spins. Click, click, click. And I highly recommend, of course, my course with the many details. And if you will follow with my course how to improve your spins, you will see the chapters, and you will see, this is important, the line, the structure for your body. If you miss some exercise, you can miss your progress. Be on the line, check and catch every exercise, and I guarantee you huge progress with your turn and spins. This course, how to improve your spins, is for beginner and for advanced dancer too. And you can find many bonuses. It's over 3 hours of training. Okay. At the ending, a very slowly side turn to the right and to the left. Okay, follow me. On 1, on 2, mambo. On 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. On 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 8 and 1 mambo. 2, 3, 4, and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4. I'm convinced that this video will be very helpful for you. Just remember, push bell button for the next dance tutorial, like and share, and have fun. See you next time.